guys, I know this is long overdue. My birthday was on June 18th. It is now July 28th. I know, I'm a mess. But we're just gonna hop straight into this tutorial. So I'm starting off with my brows. Of course, I use my Wet n Wild eyeliners. Then I use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I wanted my concealer not to move because, you know, it was my birthday. I wanted to take pictures. I wanted it to last all day. And the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is the best concealer if you want your concealer not to move, not to budge, not to crease. She got you covered. This concealer does not crease, and I promise you, a lot of people love it, and I know why now, because I just got it. Like, it's amazing. So after lining my brows, I'm just blending the concealer over my eyelids just slightly before I apply my eyeshadow base. Done. Next up, we're gonna go in with my Louise eyeshadow base. Yes, I use a light shade because I like my colors to pop, so yeah. So I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone and go for another cut crease with glitter and pastel colors. So I did end up going a little overboard with the Louise base, but y'all, I ended up blending it out very well. And I heard the more pigment you apply, the more pigmented your colors come out. After everything is blended to my liking, I just take my handy dandy tape to make it all neat. And now I'm taking my BH Cosmetics 88 Matte Palette. I'm starting off with a purple shade, and then I'm going into a blue shade, and then I'll be going in with a pink shade. Since I wanted this look to be a pastel look, I'm using darker shades in the crease, and then when I cut the crease on my lid, I'll be using lighter shades of the same exact colors. Some people prefer to start from the inner corner and work their way out, but for me, I prefer to start from the outer corner and work my way in, depending on what type of look I'm going for. So as y'all can see, this palette is super pigmented and it's super old, so I don't even know if they still sell this palette, but if they do, if you're into pink, green, purple, and blue shades, this palette is the palette for you because it's such a variety of those shades in this palette. And like I said, the colors are super, super duper vibrant. Now I'm taking my Vaseline. Yes, Vaseline. I'm using the Vaseline to get rid of the makeup on my lid to create a clean base. I learned this from another channel, and basically it just wipes away your makeup. So if you want to remove your eyeshadow, use Vaseline. You're welcome. Tip of the day. But yeah, so I'm just clearing it off with the Vaseline. Now I'm going in with the Porcelain LA Girl Pro Concealer as a base for my next few colors. This is just another alternative for a base, so if you don't have Louise, you can just use a lighter LA Girl Pro Concealer shade. And I'm cutting my crease with this Wet n Wild brush. It works really, really well if you want to cut your crease, especially if you're a beginner like me. And it's only 99 cents. So y'all, I'm still brand new to cutting my crease, so forgive me, alright? I tried my best, I really did. By the way, I turned 19 on June 18th. Yes, I am 19, the last year of the teen. Now I'm going in with those lighter shades that I talked about earlier of the same exact colors that I used on my crease, but in the lighter shades of those colors. Light purple, then a lighter blue, then a lighter pink, which are more pastel than the original shades that I used at first. I did mess up, but I went back and cleaned it up. I promise, you know, it's okay. So now I decided to go in with some white liner on my cut crease. Y'all, this was so hard. They make it look so easy in the videos. Like, oh my gosh. Now I'm using my Duo lash glue as well as some Amazon glitters. I actually have a huge pack of Amazon glitters, so if y'all want to see a video on that, let me know. But these are very iridescent and see-through, so I just applied them on top of the eyeshadows that I laid on my lid just to have a little background for them. The set that I bought from Amazon actually included darker glitters, but I wanted to stay true to the pastel look, so I used the iridescent ones. I'm using my Duo glue and I'm applying the glitters, as you can see, color by color. And once my glitters were applied, I went in with my E.L.F. liner. My favorite liner, I don't think I've used any other liners on any of my videos because I love it so much. I think I just really like liners that come with like a little stick thingy. Now I'm going in with my Essence Princess Lash Mascara. And of course my whole little selection of lashes from this Aliexpress company that I found. Apply those lashes, girl. So now I'm just doing my waterline with some black liner from Wet n Wild, and I didn't do a waterline with color just because, y'all, this look took me forever. My camera kept shutting off. It was a mess. Cleanup time. So now onto my face, I'm going in with the E.L.F. primer and just, you know, priming that face, making sure that I can fill those pores and all that good stuff. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to just go ahead and color correct a little bit, get rid of those dark spots because it was my birthday and I wanted a full coverage look. And now I'm using my Revlon Colorstay foundation in the shade 440. I did use my Amazon brushes. If y'all haven't seen my video on my Amazon brushes, I'm using Toffee as my concealer and doing my normal concealing routine. Look at that, girl. You better highlight. Also, throughout this video, I'm using my Amazon brushes. If you haven't watched my video on that, go watch it. What are you waiting for? Well, wait till this video is over and then go look at it. But I did a review on these brushes. Love them so much. They're amazing. It came with so many, so I used them a lot. So now I'm using my Sacha Buttercup Banana Powder, one of my favorite powders. I used this powder because look at that. My face went from a little shiny to completely like, what shine? Like, whoa. Y'all like the balloons I did in the background? I just taped them up, you know. So now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder. I love this powder. I talk about it all the time. It's called Photo Focus Powder, and as y'all can see, wow, just magical. Next up, I'm using my Black Radiance Press Powder as a contour powder. I'm still learning how to contour, but I think I have a natural contour in my face already when I do my makeup, so I just follow that line. So here's my palette, of course, that I still have. Been using this for years. Just kidding, I haven't been using it for years, but I've been using it for a while. And it's just my BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette. And yeah. I'm also going back in and contouring my nose a little bit because I forgot to do it. I don't usually do that, but it was my birthday. Now I'm going in with the same highlight that I used and just getting those inner corners of my eye. I'm using this NYX Lippy and this MAC lip liner. This was the cutest combination. I don't remember the name of the lipstick, but I'll put it on the screen and in the description box. So all of these products will be listed below. But look at that. Wow. Wow. And of course, setting spray by Badescu, my Rosewater setting spray. And this is the final look, guys. Yay. It came together. I was so scared. I was like, do I really want to post this? Is this gonna look right? But I did it. I did it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.